Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back. It's Zach. I'm very excited to be bringing you guys today's video. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of all new Korean skincare for you guys. I love Japanese and Korean skincare, and so I'm so excited to be doing an unboxing for you. I've not opened the box because I wanted it to be a surprise so you could get my real life reaction. I've got my box right here from Stylevana. I know that's different than my usual. I usually get stuff from YesStyle. But I recently had a bad experience with YesStyle. I am a YesStyle influencer, but I am not afraid to come on here and tell you guys the details. So I needed to return the Burrito sunscreens or get a refund because Burrito said they will offer refunds for their sunscreens within 6 months of ordering because they are not SPF 50. If you guys don't know about that scandal, like where have you been? Test data came out that revealed that the sunscreens that claim to be SPF 50 are not. And so they were good about it and did offer refunds, but YesStyle was a pain with communication. They wouldn't give me my refund. I had to open up a dispute with my credit card company in order to get the refund. So that's just awful customer service. And I'm really happy that another brand that's very similar, I'm able to talk about it with you guys. So they have all the same products as YesStyle. They have skincare, makeup, they have apparel, they have jewelry. I mean, you name it and they have it. Check them out. I do have a discount code with them. I will leave it on the screen somewhere here. You'll get 15% off. I will also leave it in the description box. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Feel free to grab a drink as well. I'm having some antioxidant rich tea. This is a honey chamomile tea. All items will be linked in the description box down below, so feel free to check them out as you watch this video. Comes very nicely packaged in bubble wrap to protect all the packaging. I've got 4 items here to share with you guys, so let's go over it. I have the Royal Honey Propolis Enriched Essence Moisture and Nutrition with propolis extract 63%. I've actually never heard of that ingredient, so I'll have to look into it. Do know that you guys, this is just an unboxing video. I likely will have a designated review for each product coming up on my channel. I really like to do product reviews. Before I go and buy a product, sometimes I like to go on YouTube and see what other people say about it. So I know that they can be very helpful for people. So if you want to learn more about it, let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to speed up that review for you. I always give 2 weeks testing out a product so I know how I react to it or if I react to it, and I can get my full feelings for a product. I'm not even sure what this is just based on looking at it. It says it's a fully nutritious essence that contains more enriched propolis extract to build a firm barrier for radiant and moist skin. Okay, so this is an essence. I currently do not use an essence, so I'm excited. It says after using a toner, I also don't use one, take a pearl-sized amount, evenly apply all over your face, and it will gently absorb. Ooh, this is some nice packaging with the gold cap. Ooh. It gives you 50 mils of product, which is not a lot. This is a glass bottle. This looks really fancy. This is gonna look really nice on your countertop. So what you do is you pull it out, and then you push the cap to release the product. So the cap, you push it in. This could be annoying maybe to work with the packaging if you're like quick on the go, but it's beautiful. Can't tell you anything else about it at the moment. I do not speak or read Korean, but this is what the packaging looks like. Very nice. Up next, I have this AHA, BHA, PHA 30 Days Miracle Toner. AHAs are alpha hydroxy acids. They are chemical exfoliants that exfoliate the top layer of your skin. I've talked about them before on my channel. One of my favorite AHAs is lactic acid because it's very gentle. This also has BHA. BHA is beta hydroxy acid, also known as salicylic acid. It is also exfoliating, but deeper down into the pore. Great for people that have oily skin or clogged pores. And then it has PHA, polyhydroxy acid, which is more gentle, but supposed to be a very effective chemical exfoliant for the top layer of your skin, similar to AHA. So interesting that it has all of that. It also does have niacinamide 2% in it. So that's awesome. So this is a toner. So I guess I will have that essence toner combination going on. This says that it has a low pH. It's dermatologist tested. It is skin exfoliating and it's non-comedogenic. It says that it is going to clear the pores, brighten, and moisturize the skin. This also does have witch hazel and papaya extract in it. So I think for super sensitive skin types, this is going to be too powerful, too irritating. I do have the full ingredients list here in English, so I will read out some ingredient callouts to you guys. I do like that I'm able to read it. So it's got glycerin, which is hydrating. It's got niacinamide, which is actually up on the top of the list, which is interesting because it's only 2% niacinamide. So that means all the rest of the ingredients are barely even there. So this is like mostly water. It's got tea tree leaf water, witch hazel, it does have fragrance in it. It's got urea, that's softening, lactoscorbic acid, citric acid. Interesting product. I'm excited to try it out. I think this would be really nice if you have clogged up pores, you know, and with toners, you don't have to use them everywhere. So for me, I could really benefit from exfoliating in the center of my face, but not really the outsides. Around the jaw and the chin, I'm very dry right now. So I like with toners that you don't have to put them everywhere. And you get 5.07 ounces of product, which I think is a decent amount. This is what it looks like. It is a blue aqua greenish type of color, and it's just a, you know, basic plastic bottle. You're gonna screw off the cap, pour some onto a cotton pad or just your hands, and then swipe it on with a cotton pad or pat it in if you're gonna use your fingers. Next up, we have the Rice Mask Wash Off. This is also from the brand Skin Food. So this is going to be a face mask, a rice, kind of like a rice mask. Ingredients again are in English. We have caprylic triglycerides, which is an emollient. A little bit hard to read. Dimethicone, hyaluronic acid. Does have fragrance in it, but it's a wash-off product, so it should not bother me. Rice water. So this is going to be, I think, a very hydrating type of mask. This isn't going to be stripping or drying. I like the packaging. I've used this type of stuff before with these type of packages. So pretty nice, and I'm excited to check that out. I need the hydration in my life right now. And then lastly, we have the My Soft Grain Scrub. This is a grain scrub that contains organic oatmeal powder that helps clean pores and slough off dead skin cells. So this is going to be a physical exfoliant. You're going to be exfoliating by pushing with your hands instead of a chemical exfoliator. It says it will not cause irritation, and it will visibly, your skin will look more clean and smoother. Okay, that is what exfoliators do. It says to mix the milk cleanser and the grain scrub together, gently massage onto damp skin and rinse. Okay, I don't have the milk cleanser, so I guess I'd have to use it alone. Oh, wow, so interesting. It really is. It looks like sand. Cool packaging with like the frosted plastic bottle, and it's open. Just smells like oatmeal. Okay, so you do have to mix this in with something because as you can see, it's literally just in there. I'm assuming you could just mix it with water to create that exfoliant. And since it is kind of oatmeal, I don't think it's going to be that rough scrub. When I think of exfoliating scrubs, I think of the St. Ives. That's just like so bad for your skin and rips your skin apart. But this might be okay. I'm actually interested to try this out. It's from the brand Sioris, S-I-O-R-I-S. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Sioris, I believe. But yeah, I'm excited to try this out. It seems like an innovative type of new product that I haven't seen before. I will certainly give it a go and let you guys know. So that is all that I have for you guys in today's video. I hope that you appreciated this video. I will be testing out these 4 products separately, and I will likely do updated videos on them. I also wanted to say thank you guys so much for the success on my channel. I'm really grateful to all of you that tune in. If you could please share this video or share my channel, I would highly appreciate it, as I do have a skincare giveaway coming up when I reach 1,000 followers. Details about the giveaway will be later when I reach that 1,000 mark, but if you can help me get there as soon as possible, then I'll be able to do the nice giveaway. I love to give back to people, and that's going to be my way of doing it. I'll do milestone giveaways for my YouTube channels. Hit the arrow, share it, give it a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below which product that you want me to test out first. You want to talk about the essence, the exfoliating scrub, the face mask, or the toner. I'm excited to try out all of them for you, and more products from Stylevana to come. Thank you so much, and take care. Bye.